I'd like to discuss the benefit of grouping when using the appearance window. Let's say I create a line, and this line has a stroke of 5 millimeters. Let's add another stroke, and let's color this one in black. Let's make it thinner. Now, I'm going to create a graphic style from this appearance by clicking on New Graphic Style. And now I'm going to create an ellipse, and both have the same appearance. Let's place one on top of the other. And what I'd like to do is have the black line continue without the interruption of the orange lines. So let's place this on the side and copy it with Shift and Alt. And let's remove the appearance completely from these two objects by clicking on Clear Appearance. And now let's group them together. Object, Group. Now, as soon as I click on the graphic style, we can see the difference. What else can we do with this? Let's say you're creating a map of roads and streets. Let's make a basic appearance. This is the road, and we'll add another stroke to it. Let's make it white and thinner, and another stroke on top of it. Make it black and thinner, and this time let's make this 0.5 millimeters. Let's dash it. Okay, let's go with 2 millimeter dash, creating a graphic style out of it. And you've got this. Now let's say I'm using the pencil and I'm creating a road. This is the appearance. And now let's have another road going through here, another one going through here. So you've got this thing where the cars are colliding with this road here, and then you've got loads of people dying and shit. Let's do the same thing. Selecting everything, I'm clearing the appearance, I'm grouping, and I'm applying this appearance. So as you can see, you've got one continuous line on this road. Now you can change the appearance. Let's say you'd like the dash to be different, 3 millimeters, 4, okay, but it's the same thing. What's also good about this, let's open the layers window. As you can see, you've got a group, and in this group we've got these paths. I'll create a line. This line is outside the group. As soon as I'll take the line and drag it and add it to the group, because the appearance is applied to the group, everything that is part of the group has the same appearance. Now double click the group, so we'll be inside of the group, so we don't need to drag things into the group. Everything I create is automatically inside the group, and the appearance is applied. That's it for this time.